Hello, my name is Dr. Chinmayanan, and today is a departure day for our very first student, Mr. Yash Agrawal, and probably he will the roll number one of university this year. So I welcome you, Yash, and parents.
Thank you so much.
Why you choose Russia only? Like any particular reason?
The competition in India was kind of tough, and it was like a rat race. So I thought maybe I could get ahead of many people, and instead of falling in the rat race or doing the NEET again. So yeah, I thought of that.
Now, for parents, please introduce yourself and share why you chose this Russia option from your perspective. Because parents, it's tough for parents.
Definitely, it's gonna tough. It was a tough choice for us. We are basically from UP and we settled in Bangalore. I've been abroad. She's in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So we chose Russia because, as my son said, it's actually the competition is really high here, and not only competition, the standards of the study, the standards of the the MBBS and all the doctors which is passing through.
Yeah.
There are many things, and the budget comes the first option.
Yeah, first.
So that's it. These are the reasons. Considering all the reasons in mind, I chose Russia.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
Yes, a few of the doctors I'm meeting, I asked about the Russia. So
Yeah.
there is a 50% were saying no, India is better. 50% were saying yeah, Russia is could be a best option,
Best option.
also.
Yeah.
So I thought for my son perspective, I thinking that instead of appearing second more time or maybe third time, instead of wasting the time, he should start his journey early.
Great.
So we have taken the step. Definitely, Russia is a good country, and the university is also the top one. So
Yeah.
I'm happy he's going there,
Yeah.
and I'm having a full confidence he will achieve his goal in
Yeah.
future too.
Okay. My next question to you is journey with for abroad educations. How did you first hear about our firm, and how did you come in contact with us? Like,
See, in the search of good consultant, good the guide, the person who can give the good guidance, being transparent and genuine to the people. That is my uttermost request, uttermost requirement. So I found for abroad education, and I find that Mr. Chinmayanan is also very genuine, transparent, and guiding at the step to step
yeah.
to how to go ahead.
Yes.
He has gone extra mile to help us.
No, it's
In
okay.
a certain case, many of the time, I disturbed him.
Yeah,
And,
doubts came. Lot of doubts came.
Lot of doubts till now. So, being a parent, actually, if you are sending your son, obviously you have many questions, hundred of questions,
Yeah.
and especially the son who has never gone outside. So it's very difficult for us also being a
Yeah.
parent.
Yeah.
But I trusted you, and I'm expecting that we
It will be
continue
good.
building the trust
Yeah.
and
Trust is a
we
major
keeping the
thing.
journey.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all I want to say.
Say something.
So we did our research, but then we got a lot of options. But then my dad found out
Yeah.
abroad educations,
He emailed me at 3 p.m. at night.
and then from that point on, it's been a very smooth journey.
Okay.
And I also would like to highlight many time I ask my husband, ask this question,
That question. Yeah.
and then when I really appreciate Chinmay sir. He was always present there whenever we have a doubt, whenever we put a message. So he always replied. So I really say thanks for everything,
Thank you, ma'am.
and would like to see the same
See your
in
blessings
future also for Yash.
Yeah, and one more thing. So at Russia, before going, you should choose university. In university selection, our first priority is budget, and according to budget only we select university. So that must have helped you also.
Exactly.
Because previously they were going to Kazan State, my alma mater, Kazan State, but later there were some problems. So we told them transparently it's not possible. So they chose
Exactly.
Saint Petersburg.
Just to add on his comment, actually I have chosen and finalized 3 universities. First was Kazan, Saint Petersburg was second, and there was Altai.
Altai, yeah.
So
Very
these
old
are the 3 top good universities. I research a lot and I find prioritize this university. But unfortunately, Kazan was not, not option was not there for us.
Yeah.
Then I chose Saint Petersburg.
Saint Petersburg. And so before going to Russia, these days students have to give entrance exam. So in that entrance exam, it's our responsibility to help them. So I want to ask Yash. So like we were sufficient to help him or not?
Sir was definitely enough to sufficient and help me throughout the exams. I had 3 exams and all of them got over like really quick, and yeah, it was easy.
So our support will be there throughout the examination. And one more thing I want to add. How was your documentation procedure, visas and your
Exactly.
student visas and your visas?
That is extra smooth. That is very smooth because you have guided us step by step. You know, even till today, he has given us so much support to us. You know, for I should not mention like in terms of exchanging money, in terms of any small thing doubts we have. He is not like not angry or he's not frustrated.
Sometime,
Because
one time I got angry, but it was
Even me also one time got angry because just 2 days before I said, okay, how can you say like this? So it's okay. It's
No,
a
but
part
I
of
was,
that.
I was pretty
End of the-
occupied. That's why.
End of the day, Yash is going, and I am just expecting his
best
continuous, support to us because the journey is going to start now. It's not
Yeah,
yet started.
yeah,
So
and-
once he reach,
yeah. One
Russia-
more thing I wanna tell Yash is it's not that easy. So you have to start studying regarding your you have to start studying for FMG exam or next exam for now only. Because a lot of students are struggling these days to pass
Exactly.
it. And
Exactly.
you know how I have podcasts with many people, they struggled.
It's
So you should start now.
So whatever the purpose you are going for, you have to be.
you have to make it. Last two questions. Guidance for other families, parents. What advice would you give to other parents thinking of traveling with their children to foreign universities? Because nowadays, you know that I have given you two options. Like you can go with other students also, but
Right.
you are quite
Right.
right. This one.
So, I would suggest parents can go with the children to accompany them to get their admission. However, at the same time, because you can trust him, because he is a genuine person, so you can trust him. He can make arrangement of all the things, so that's not a problem.
So any feedback, like from 5 stars, how many stars you will give me?
If it's 6, I will give 6.
Okay, thank you. One more thing, guys. Hostel is still to. So
Yes.
after that, I will come and take interviews regarding hostel.
Sure.
Because it's not good to do fake promotions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No need.
So that was, guys, our first departure. Probably the role number 1, Mr. Yash Agrawal, and we'll meet you at
Dr.
University,
Yash
buddy.
Agrawal.
Dr. Yash Agrawal. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you
Congratulations,
so much,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you.
And hope your trip goes well.
Certainly. Thank you very much
Congratulations and
for all your support.
happy journey as well as happy immigration.
Thank you very much. That is a big task.
Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. Subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Dr. Chanmanan for Abroad Educations signing off.